Actually bought it to fiddle around with it, but never got around to it. And I thought, hey, why not make a video about making money with ACN here by scrapping. Obviously, it's a little joke there, since a lot of people say you can't make money with ACN. For some people, I agree, but for others, they make money. Hey, I even did ACN a long time ago and made a little bit of money. Just didn't have the time to continue with it with all my projects. So I've had this for maybe 4 years. Things like brand new sheets and everything on here, boxes, little ACN digital phone service thingy, power supply, cable, everything here. So let's take this apart and see if we can make money with ACN. Should be interesting to see what one of these video phones are worth in scrap. That box on the side. So we definitely have cables, which are always quite valuable. Obviously, for the people who do the gold, no, don't forget these little tips. I know Board Sort pays for these little connectors. I think about I think they're down to like 60 cents now. So cut these little bits, keep the wire. These I don't bother opening or anything. I just sell them as miscellaneous wire. I usually don't have a problem with that with my guys at the scrapyard. My little clippers. Clippers are right here. Clip the phone. Let's see what's in one of these phones. Let's see if we can pry it open, or is it a difficult process and we'll have to use a hammer. Nope. Ooh, just pops out. So we have this little, I guess, weight. So we got some steel, and all that's in here is some more wire and a small speaker. At one point, I used to collect the speakers and sell them separately. I haven't done that in a while. Don't think it's worth it anymore, but for some it might be. Collect these. I used to do it with computers and everything, computer speakers and everything. Used to keep these. So we have a bunch of scrap plastic. That's gonna go in the trash. Let's see, what else do we have here? Now, let's open this bad boy up. Doesn't seem too difficult to open these up. A few screws from the looks of it. Should be simple enough. Almost there. I'm guessing there's going to be a motherboard of some sort in here. So it might be worth the value of a peripheral board or something.